Hello everyone, welcome to the Mortgage Brothers Show. It is Tuesday, April 26th. Today we're going to go over the interest rates, where they're at today, but we're also going to be talking about what do home prices today, like the median home price today, look like compared to last month and last year. And we're going to do a little forecast. What do we think interest rates will look, or what will home prices look like in 1 year from now? So getting right into it, or before we do, a quick disclaimer. This is for informational purposes only. This is not financial advice. Also, we are only licensed in the state of Arizona. So if we can only help people who are looking to get to purchase a house and they need to get a mortgage or they need to refinance their mortgage. Those are the people we can help in Arizona. But this channel is great to follow no matter what state you're in, because these loan programs are nationally originated. It doesn't matter what state you're in. It isn't like there are specific Arizona loan programs. Okay, so stick with us, share the channel, and subscribe. All right, so today, 30-year fixed interest rates at 4.875. The 15-year fixed conventional at 4.25. The 5-year adjustable rate mortgage at 3.99. 30-year fixed FHA at 4.49. 30-year fixed VA loan at 4.75. And here are the loan assumptions below. Okay, so a quick recap, high level, where the 30-year fix has been since 1971. All right, and so we see that in 1981, the interest rates peaked. It's unbelievable, 18.3% for the 30-year fix. And then in 1986, we've been in this downward channel. It's been ricocheting off the top and the bottom of this channel. And we just broke out in March 2022. So basically, a couple things here. What caused this downward channel? Why were rates continually going down for basically, how many years is that? It's about 38 years. No, 36 years. Why has it been stuck for 36 years going down? We have a video that we have that describe, if you stick with this channel, you'll basically be able to see, I talk about it a lot, what caused this downward pressure. And it's basically all of the U.S. spending. Every single time we had a war, every single time we had a recession, every single time the House and Senate voted on a new bill to stimulate the economy, the more and more debt our country has, the less and less the rates have to basically be to afford the debt. Okay, but we do get into other videos. Again, subscribe and you'll be able to see me talk about that as we go further on in other videos. Okay, now today on Tuesdays, what I'm going to try to do is help borrowers look at where we are today on a video. Or on this video, we're going to look at where people are today on a home price, what their scenario looks like if they're purchasing a home that's the median home price in Maricopa County, which today is $490,000. Okay, so this next slide, we are going to be looking at where interest rates, or how interest rates have affected payments for homes that you're going to buy today. But what did it look like last month? And what did it look like last year? And what do we think, what do we forecast the scenario would look like next year? So here are the payment assumptions. Okay, so in the past 12 months, did you know that home prices in Maricopa County, which is the largest county in Arizona, it's like 4 million people, or a little bit, I think 4.5 million people are here, where we have seen almost 29% appreciation from, this data is from actually March 2022 to March 2021, 29% appreciation. Now, over the next 12 months, we anticipate appreciation to be 7%. Remember, inflation's about 8% right now. We do think home prices are going to go up about 7% in the next 12 months. So all this data here is what's inputted into this chart right here. 1 year ago, home prices were $380,000 in Maricopa County. And interest rates are about 3%. And that home would cost $1,629 for that monthly payment. It would and here's you see this right here, annual income needed to qualify. So based on some general information, the borrower would need to make about $70,000 to qualify for that mortgage. That's 1 year ago. and they would need $81,000 of cash to purchase the house. Now, I'm going to just skip right to today. Today, this scenario was last month, but right to today, that same home is $490,000. The interest rates today are at 4.875. That payment is $2,400, a little over $2,400. And I'm estimating taxes and insurance in there. The annual income needed to qualify would be about $91,000 today. Remember, last year was $70,000. Today, that borrower would need to make $91,000. Next year, what do we see? With 7% appreciation, if $490,000 appreciates 7%, that new home value would be $524,000. And of course, these scenarios all consider 20% down, or assume the 20% down. And the payment would be $2,568. The annual income needed would be about $95,000. Okay, so let's go to another slide here. I thought this was, and we'll end here. But look, the income. Now, of course, it's not fair to just to say this is what the price. In the blue, that's the median home price, $380,000 1 year ago. 1 month ago, it's about $481,000. Today, it's about $490,000. Next year, we're thinking about $524,000. The income last year was $70,000 that you needed. Today, it's about $91,000. But to keep in mind, in Maricopa County, which is very similar to a lot of the country, but the income has actually gone up 7.7%. I mean, it's income, and that's why we're seeing inflation. It's basically an inflationary number as well. That means that if someone is making $91,000 today, last year they were making about $84,300. Just thought that was an interesting stat there. But again, every day we do an interest rate update. We show you some interesting facts about the market. So be sure to subscribe, and we're going to be back tomorrow to give you another update. Take care, everybody. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Mortgage Brothers podcast. Please let us know if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. You can email your questions to team@azmortgagebrothers.com, and be sure to ask us for a free quote on your next mortgage. We'll be sure to give you personalized service and help you through the whole process. Signature Home Loans LLC does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Signature Home Loans NMLS 1007154, NMLS number 210917 and 1618695, Equal Housing Lender.